Hello, it's today I'm back with another, but not Minecraft, it is Minecraft, but it's not Minecraft. Welcome to another MrCrayfish device API tutorial, and today I'm going to be looking at components. This tutorial is going to be about pretty much every component there is in the game. I've literally just a second come up with a bunch of ideas for a few more tutorials, but then I'm pretty much out of ideas, so I tweeted on Twitter, link to my Twitter in the description below, for ideas for new suggestions for this series. So go suggest. Yeah, let's get right into this. I've made a little application for this for us to get started with, and basically we're just gonna look at every different component in the game. So first of all, have we done a button component? I don't think we've done a button component yet. Wait, yes we have. We've done buttons and text things. So what we're going to do is just quickly open this, so we have a list of all the components, and I'm going to show you how to use them, just because I don't know every component. Go component. Here's a list of all of the components. Says buttons, checkboxes, images, inventories, item lists, labels, number selectors, progress bars, sliders, spinners, text, and text area. We've used text and text area before, and buttons, so we're not going to really do those. Images I'm not too sure on. Also, we've done item lists. You can do other things with item lists, like literally make them a list of any type of data, so items, item stacks, blocks, anything like that. But if you want to do items, then there's a little more that you need to do, because you need to have like item renderer, but we'll get into that in a different tutorial. But yeah, for a start, let's make a checkbox. I'm just going to make one of each of these. So checkbox. So what this is literally just a checkbox. Checkbox equals new. Oh, I just put 2 spaces. Checkbox. And what we've got here is the name, the left and the top, obviously. So we're just going to call it check. Let's just call it checkbox, all lowercase because we can. And the left, let's just put like 0, and top 0. Don't need any padding on these and stuff. And then that's just a simple checkbox. Images I'm not sure about, so I'm going to leave that. I think I've got an idea of images. I might do them at the end, but not right now. Inventory. So what we can do here is get like the player inventory and stuff. It's kind of cool. Inventory equals new inventory. Right here. So we can put like a little inventory at like 10 to 10. What is the size of the inventory actually? Component that allows you to access player's inventory. Not quite. Now why access and quotes is because it's client side only. If you want to process anything, you have to send Selector to the server and process it there. You can use a task to perform this. But you're not telling me the size. I want to know the size. Never mind. Let's just assume. It's probably actually pretty big, but never mind. If it's too big, we can put it into its own layout. Actually, to keep it like this. So inventory, then item list. We've done labels. Have we done labels? Have we done labels? I don't think I've done labels. They're actually really simple. Label equals new label. It's literally just what? Wait, what? Okay. Where's the MrCrayfish one? There it is at the bottom there. Let's just call it label, all in caps. Left 0, top 50. Wait, we want the left on this to be 0. Okay, because I don't know how big the inventory is, so I don't know if it'll overlap. It's probably pretty big. Label number selector. Actually, for this inventory dot. Where is it? We have to render this separately. Okay. I'll do an inventory in its separate application because, yeah. Yeah. Now number selector. Do we have to? I think we have to do different things for these two, but I'm just making them first. Number selector. Num select equals new number selector. Here we go. Just put a left. Let's actually change this to like 20, and then this to like 30. Wait, is that width and height, or Oh, it's left top left top width. So let's just say like, I don't know, 50 on the width. Sure. Then we want a progress bar, prog bar equals new progress bar. Where is it? It's this one. So left 0, top 440. Let's go for width. Let's say a width of 100 and a height of about. Actually, let's move this down a little more to like 50, and then say the height of 10. Not too much in height, but not too little. Hopefully. Slider equals new slider. Oops. You can use all these. There are ways in which you can use all these. I just want to show you what they do, and then you can implement them to anything in the way you want them to be implemented. Right, let's put this as like 70, and width of 100 again. Let's say. And then we want a spinner, and this is the last one we need. Spinner equals new spinner. Where's the Mr. Crayfish? Mr. Crayfish? Mr. Crayfish? Where is it? What? Oh, it's right there. I'm just blind. 080. Okay, now we can fiddle with these. Checkbox dot X position, Y position, draw center string, draw string. I'm just making sure that there's not actually anything else we need to do for any of these. Is selected. Don't I need to like... A checkbox will do 2 things, I believe. I think. Yeah, we'll do 2 things, like a yes and no kind of thing. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. There was something I wanted to do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is just a single checkbox. It's just a. Yeah. Why did I think it was like multiple selection? I don't know. So check sys out. They're just gonna like if it's selected, we're just gonna selected. It's just going to print out whether or not it's selected. Checkbox selected L. We don't need to do anything with the label, but we can do like text colors and stuff. Num select dot get number. We can get the number that we've got selected. Anything else? Set format. We can set it to its decimal or not, basically. Set maximum, so maximum is going to be like, let's say maximum 50, and num select dot set min to 0, num select dot something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, we can. I'm just going to do a label real quick. Just because, actually, I'm gonna make a label, use this label differently. Because I want to be able to like see whether this is done or not. So num select dot select dot get number. What? Oh. I need to put that there just to make that a string. And then we want 0 and about 30. Actually, let's go for like 60, 30, just so it's in like a similar place. And then that will tell us whether or not what number we've got selected there. Also, we might want to label that. Okay, actually, wait, no, that automatically updates, right? I'm not entirely sure if that automatically updates, but let's find out. And then for this, is there anything we actually need to do for this? Set progress. Okay, yeah, set progress. Actually, what we will need to do here... Ooh, actually. We might need to make this up here. Because we are going to need to get it from other places. Yeah, we are. Because like, we want to have a tick method here. and then public static, no, not static, public int, let's say progress equals 0, progress plus plus, progbar dot set progress. Wait, hold on. If progress less than or equal to 100, then progress plus plus. Else progress equals 0. Not less than. Yes, less than. Actually, let's say less than or equal to. No, let's just say less than 100. So then that will just check if it's less than 100. It will increase it. Otherwise, it will set it to 0, and it will just always set the progress bar to whatever progress this has. So yeah. And then after this, we can play around with our slider. Slider dot. I'm actually. Oh, we're gonna. Do we need to get these? I'm not actually sure if we need to set slide listeners and release listeners. I don't think we need to. Hopefully. But yeah, we're going to need to get the percentage. Yeah. So we're gonna get percentage. So I'm just gonna make a new label actually. Again. Boop. Get rid of that. Label. Slider. Let's call this label number. Equals new label. Slider. Dot get percentage. Let's go for. Wait, what? This is 100 wide, so 100. And that's left, right? Wait, what? Oh, slider label. That's left top width. So yeah, that's 100 wide. Yeah. So we want to set that to 110 actually, and then all that's left top, right? Yeah. So we want the top to be 70. And then that's that done. And then spinner dot. We don't need to do anything to spinner, do we? I don't think we do. Just need to quickly check. Yeah, we don't need to do anything to the spinner. And then we just need to add all of these components. No, not super. Main dot add component. Just quickly copy this. Main dot add component. What's the first one? Checkbox. Main dot add component. Num select. Main dot add component number. Main dot add component slider. Main dot add component slider label. Main dot add component spinner. And then I need to quickly register this application. Application components, I called it. Component. What? Oh yeah, I need to import that. And then that is all good. Okay, so a few little changes need to be made in the code. I've moved the slider label and the slider to being being created up here, because I need to be able to access them from down here, because the labels don't automatically update, so I have to set the text every tick. And I also times it by 100 because it does it as decimal otherwise. So what we get here is this. I'm also going to, you can cast that to an integer as well, if you don't want it to have all the decimals afterwards. So you can just at the start here go int like that, and that will give it to you as an integer. Oops. And also setting the progress of the program. Oh, we're already doing that. Also just changed around a few things. Got rid of the thing on the number selector, the label, because it already has one built in, as you can see here. Put that to 0. Oops. As you can see here, it's already got it built in here. I thought that the number selector was different to how it was. The spinner works here, the checkbox works. It says the name of the checkbox here. You can set that to nothing if you don't want there to be a name for it. And yeah, you can also use these checkboxes, like put 2 of them and check which is, if one's, if one's selected, it deselects the other and that kind of thing, to like have it as a yes or no selection box kind of thing, or like choosing between multiple things. So if one's selected, it deselects the other ones and sets, and then you get if one's selected and all that. But yeah, I've also changed around the sizing a bit because it was slightly off and everything was kind of cramped together. But yeah. Also, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these, on the icons. There is one on the Device API forums that you can find for making them if you don't want to wait. But yeah, you can just look at how awesome this is. Look at this. This was created by a human being. Jeez, it's great. MrCrayfish is great. Seriously, this is insane. But yeah, that's it for today. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. So bye, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Oh wait, no, hold on. We can also see that it's printing whether the select box is selected or not, but it's only doing that when we've got the when we start it up, because yeah, we're doing it here, so you can move that to here if you want it to actually do properly. But yeah, goodbye.